Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and expose scams before you lose your money. In today's video, we're talking about a beauty product that's been going viral on social media, the InstaSnap Magnetic Lash Kit from a website called Hunnyfit Lashes. But the big question is Hunnyfit Lashes a legit place to buy from, or just another online scam? Let's find out! So, Hunnyfit Lashes claims that their InstaSnap Magnetic Lash Kit gives you gorgeous salon-quality lashes in seconds. No glue, no mess, and no damage. It's supposed to be reusable, long-lasting, and super easy to apply thanks to magnetic technology. Sounds perfect for anyone who wants stunning lashes without the hassle, but we all know looks can be deceiving. Let's start by checking their website. At first glance, it looks professional, full of glamorous photos, testimonials, and limited-time discounts. But here's where things get suspicious. The website provides very little company information, no verified business address, no contact number, and vague details in the About Us section. That's a red flag, especially for a brand selling beauty products online. When we looked deeper into customer reviews, we found mixed to negative feedback. Some customers said they received poor quality lashes that didn't stick properly or fell apart after 1 or 2 uses. Others complained about delayed shipping, no response from customer service, or difficulty getting refunds. There are even reports of fake tracking numbers and suspiciously identical 5-star reviews, which could be automated or paid feedback. While the product concept itself, magnetic lashes, is not new, many reliable brands already sell similar kits on Amazon and beauty stores with verified customer support and warranty options. Compared to those, Hunnyfit Lashes seems overpriced and underdelivers based on real buyer experiences. So, is Hunnyfit Lashes a legit website for buying the InstaSnap Magnetic Lash Kit? Based on our research, it doesn't look trustworthy. The lack of transparency, poor reviews, and questionable refund practices make it risky to order from them. If you really want magnetic lashes, it's better to buy from a well-known beauty brand or a verified Amazon seller. Don't fall for flashy ads. Do your research first. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to source for honest online reviews and scam warnings. Have you ever tried Hunnyfit Lashes or similar lash kits? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Stay alert, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.